How to use the KOHO credit card. Follow my instructions. The KOHO credit card is designed to help you build or improve your credit score. It works by reporting your monthly payments to credit bureaus. Here's how to set it up and use it effectively. First, download or open the KOHO app on your phone. Sign up or log in with your account credentials. Go to the Credit Building or KOHO Credit section in the menu. Apply for the KOHO credit card by following the on-screen steps. Once approved, your card will be available virtually and by mail. Activate your card and set up a spending limit. Use your KOHO credit card for small, manageable purchases each month. Always pay your balance on time. KOHO will remind you before the due date. This consistent payment history boosts your credit score over time. Avoid maxing out your limit. Keep usage under 30% for the best results. You can track your credit score progress in the KOHO app anytime. KOHO also offers tips to help you stay financially healthy. That's how to use the KOHO credit card as a credit builder. Thanks for watching.